today. Let's close. Okay, let's start our meeting today by saying good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
Mommy.
afternoon, Miss.
Okay, good afternoon. That's nice to see you in this afternoon. So how is it going today?
That's good. That's good.
Something
Very
special
nice.
today?
No, not yet,
Not
because
yet?
today is too much busy.
Oh my God. Why? 12-12?
Yes, from
Mm-mm.
7 a.m.
Okay.
till 7 a.m.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then what about the others? What have you bought today? Apa yang sudah teman-teman beli hari ini? Especially end of year ya, teman-teman, akhir tahun. It means that there are a lot of discounts in some of the e-commerce, especially at this day. That is 12-12. What have you bought? Apa yang sudah teman-teman beli? Yang berburu diskonan hari ini.
Makeup.
Makeup. Okay. How many makeups do you buy today, Sis Yemima?
I think I bought around 6.
Wow. Okay, 6.
I need to
Mhm.
I need to provide myself and then prepare myself for the Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's good
Okay.
idea.
13 days later, you will celebrate the Christmas, right?
Yes.
So that you have to prepare to makeup and others.
Yep.
Nice. What about the clothes? Do you also prepare the clothes?
I already bought it last month.
Okay, you have already bought it last month. So means that you prepare well about it.
Yep.
Okay. Nice. What about Sis Krisdayanti? What have you bought today?
I have I bought the projector, Miss.
Sorry?
I bought projector
Okay, you bought the
Meeting.
projector
for
for your
presentation.
meeting.
Yeah.
For
Yes.
invitations in your office.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, berarti sesuatu yang mendukung pekerjaannya Sis Krisdayanti ya.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, nice. So, well,
Thank you.
everyone, yesterday we have already learned and discussed about simple present. Kemarin kita sudah belajar tentang simple present, and one of the function of simple present is to talk about the activities or habit that we used to do every day. Ngomongin sesuatu yang okay. And then we also learn and discuss about it. We know that one of the function of simple present is for telling about our daily routine. Nah, kemarin sudah ada beberapa dari teman kita yang sudah menjelaskan tentang rutinitas kesehariannya. Berarti sekarang waktunya teman-teman mengimplementasikan simple present juga daily routine that we are going to discuss today. But before that, let me brush up about our last material. Kita ulang kembali materi yang kemarin, yaitu si simple present. Do you still remember or not about it? And here we go. Nih, it is about grammar analyzing. Jadi ini adalah analisis grammar. So means that we have to find out which one is the error one. Manakah yang error di antara kalimat yang ada di sini. Number one, for the example, contoh nomor 1, go to bed very early. Ternyata salah. Harusnya very early. Number 2, does they live in Canada?
Do
Mana
they
yang
live?
salah?
Does
Do.
Jadi
Oke.
do.
Harusnya adalah do they live in Canada? Oke.
Yeah.
Number 3, I am usually cook dinner for my family. Mana yang salah?
Am.
Am. Oke. Jadi
Cook.
harusnya nggak usah pakai am. Langsung aja. I usually cook dinner
Cook
for my
dinner for my
family.
family.
Number 4, are they have a meeting every week? Manakah yang salah?
A.
Hai
Maybe
guys.
R.
Are. Harusnya are
Oh,
diganti dengan
are.
F.
Do.
diganti
Do.
dengan
Do.
F.
Do,
Have.
oke. Jadi yang
Do.
benar adalah do they
Do.
have a meeting every week? Do.
Alright.
Karena have kan memiliki verb 1.
Alright.
Kalau pakai kata kerja kan harusnya pakai auxiliary do. Number 5. She don't like tennis. Harusnya?
She doesn't like tennis.
He doesn't
Oke.
like.
She doesn't like tennis. Does John has enough money? Harusnya?
Have.
Does John has enough money? It should be?
Does John have enough money?
Good job. Does John have enough money? Jadi kalau sudah does kan harus kembali ke verb 1 asli. Does John have enough
Hmm.
money? He know the answer. It should be?
He knows the answer.
He knows.
Okay. He knows the answer. It means that we have to put S after the verb. Robert plays baseball on the weekend. It should be?
Plays. Play.
Plays. Okay.
Plays.
Robert plays baseball on the
Plays.
weekend. They has lots of free time. That should be?
They have lots of free time.
Okay. They have lot of free time. Jadi has itu digunakan kalau subjeknya she, he, it. Dia perempuan,
She,
dia
he, it.
laki-laki sama it. It has, she has. Tapi kalau you, they, we kita pakainya have. They have lots of free time. Do they usually driving to work? It should be?
Does.
Do they
Harusnya
usually drive to work?
Okay. Do they usually drive to work? Jenny is not work at a restaurant.
Jenny is what?
Ayo,
Jenny is not
Jenny.
working at a
Working.
restaurant.
Jenny.
Simple present, nggak pakai ing loh.
Oh,
Jenny.
Jenny is.
Jenny do atau
Jenny not.
does?
Doesn't.
Oh, doesn't.
Jenny doesn't.
Oke. Jadi Jenny doesn't work at
Doesn't
a
work at
restaurant.
Restaurant.
Number 12, she worries too much about the exam.
Worry.
We
Worry,
worry.
not worries.
Oke.
Worries.
Jadi,
Worry.
jadinya worries. I diganti I dulu, baru tambahkan IS.
Eh,
My father
Yes.
wants to travels to Spain. Mana yang harus ditambah S? Wants-nya atau
Fa-
travels-nya?
Harusnya once. Travels-nya.
Once-nya.
Wants. Berarti travel-nya pakai S nggak?
Tidak.
Enggak.
Travel
Oke,
without
jadi langsung
S.
aja. My father wants to travel to Spain.
Travel to Spain.
Why you study English? Why you study English? Harusnya?
Why
Studying.
Uh-uh.
Studying.
No,
you
kan nggak pakai verb ing, simple
Why?
present.
Why do you
Uh-uh.
I do.
study English?
Oke. Why do you study English?
English.
Kenapa kamu belajar bahasa Inggris? Why do you study English? He doesn't drink tea. Harusnya?
He doesn't drink tea.
Oke. He doesn't drink
Drink tea.
tea. Oke, nggak pakai
Not
S
S.
ya.
Mm-mm.
Karena bukan es teh.
Esteller.
Okay, they are start class in the morning.
They are starts
They
classes.
start
They
class.
classes.
They start
Starts.
classes.
Oke,
start
jadi langsung
class.
aja. They
They
start
start
class in the
In the
morning.
they start.
Kan kata kerjanya start, memulai. Mereka memulai kelasnya di pagi hari. They start class in the morning. That's about simple present. Hopefully that you still remember all of it. Now we are going to talk about our next one. How to we use simple present in a sentence. Now we are going to talk about daily routine. Nah, kalau ngomongin daily routine, here I have the examples about how to tell your friends about daily routine. Bro Sam, can you read for me? Bisa tolong
Alright.
dibaca, Bro Sam?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Aduh. I'm an English teacher and I have a big family. So I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock. get washed and dressed, and leave for work by 7:30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lesson and teach until noon. The other teachers and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in the afternoon and then I correct my students' homework and tests. After I get back home, I help my kids with their homework. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Their names are Matthew, John, and Susie. Then I do some exercise, eat dinner with my family, and watch TV before I go to bed at about 10 o'clock. We love to watch travel shows. Finally, I read in bed for a few minutes before I fall asleep. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
And then how about si Stanaya? Are you there, Stanaya? Hmm? Halo, Sis Tanaya? Sis Rosma? Are you there, Sis Rosma?
Yes.
Oke, coba Sis Tanaya, can you help me to read the paragraph? Bisa tolong dibaca, Sis Tanaya?
I'm an English teacher and I have a big family, so I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock to brush and dress and leave for work by 7:30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lessons and then teach until noon. The other teachers and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in the afternoon and then I correct my studies, work, and text. After I get back home, I help my kids with their homework. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Their names are Nathaniel, John, and Susie. Then I do some exercise, eat dinner with my family, and watch TV before I go to bed and up at about 10 o'clock. We love to watch travel shows. Finally, I read in bed for a few minutes before I fall asleep. Then Miss
Oke, thank you. Nah, this one is the example. If you want to tell about your daily routine, karena setelah ini teman-teman menceritakan tentang rutinitas hariannya, jadi ini adalah contoh bagaimana cara menceritakannya. Dimulai dari I'm an English teacher, jadi saya adalah seorang guru bahasa Inggris, and I have a big family, dan saya punya keluarga yang besar. So, I have a very busy daily routine. Jadi saya memiliki kegiatan rutinitas yang sangat padat. First, pertama-tama, I get up every day at 6 o'clock. Aku bangun setiap hari jam 6. Get wash and dress. Mandi dan ganti baju. And leave for work by 7:30. Dan berangkat kerja sekitar jam 7:30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. Aku nyampe sekolah itu jam 8. I prepare my lesson and then teach until noon. Saya menyiapkan pelajaranku dan kemudian ngajar sampai siang. The other teachers and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. Jadi saya dengan guru yang lain selalu makan siang dan ngobrol bareng di ruang guru. I teach again in the afternoon and then I correct my students' homework and tests. Saya ngajar lagi di sore hari dan kemudian saya mengoreksi pekerjaan dan tugasnya murid-muridku. After I get back home, setelah saya nyampe rumah, help my kid with their homework. Saya membantu mereka dengan PR-nya. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Saya punya 3 anak SD. Their names are Matthew, John, and Susie. Namanya adalah Matthew, John, sama Susie. Then, kemudian, I do some exercise. Saya melakukan olahraga ringan. Eat dinner with my family. Makan malam bersama keluarga. And watch TV before I go to bed. Dan nonton TV sebelum saya tertidur. At about 10 o'clock, sekitar jam 10-an. We love to watch travel shows. Kita suka nonton pertunjukan travel. atau bepergian. Finally, akhirnya, I read in bed for a few minutes before I fall asleep. Akhirnya, saya saya membaca di tempat tidur untuk beberapa menit sebelum saya tertidur. Nah, it's all about the story. So, when you want to start to tell us about the story, you may start it by saying first. Jadi, ketika untuk membuka cerita, teman-teman bisa membukanya atau mengawalinya dengan kata first, yang artinya pertama-tama atau pertama. Nah, pasti ada first. Di mana ada first, pasti ada kata finally. Akhirnya, sebagai pembuka dan sebagai penutup dari cerita kita. Nah, untuk kata sambung, ya, yang bisa digunakan di dalam cerita itu tergantung dari bagaimana cerita teman-teman. Cuma kalau yang di sini dia kata sambungnya adalah apa ini kata sambungnya? So, and then, after, terus then, and what else?
And then
Before.
finally.
Nah, oke. Terus ada finally akhirnya. Nah, ini adalah kata sambung yang biasanya dipakai. And itu dan after setelah. Kalau sebelum before. Ketika. Ketika apa? Kalau ketika
When was
While.
when
when. Oke. Kalau sambil.
Why?
Sambil. While.
While.
Oke. Kalau jadi sehingga.
So,
So, karena.
because
is
Oke. Kalau kemudian.
Then.
Then. Oke.
And
Atau
then.
afterwards juga bisa. Setelah itu
Afterwards.
afterwards juga bisa.
after
Oke.
that.
Nah, ini adalah contoh paragrafnya. And then now let's back talk about the daily routine. Balik lagi ke rutinitas harian kita. Macam-macam kegiatan rutin mulai dari bangun pagi, dimulai dari wake up, yaitu bangun.
Miss,
Get
sorry,
up, beranjak, ya.
can I back to slide before?
Ya.
Yes, we can, yeah. So how about your, I go to bed at about or around? Course,
At about.
not
Bisa.
around. Oh, bisa. Oke.
Mm-mm.
Oke.
Jadi kan at about 10 o'clock, masih sekitaran.
Oke.
Jadi nggak selalu menggunakan around. No.
Miss,
Oke.
bedanya first sama firstly apa?
Kalau first pertama, firstly pertama-tama
Pertama kali.
dengan pertama kali. Kalau biasanya kalau firstly ada ly ya, itu ada tambahannya dengan.
Slowly.
Slowly itu nanti dengan pelan. Slow kan pelan. Slowly dengan pelan.
Oke.
Thank
Thank you.
Oke. So, for the next kita punya get up. Get up itu beranjak dari tempat tidur. Kalau wake up itu baru matanya aja yang melek. Tapi kita masih baring di atas tempat tidur. Tapi kalau teman-teman sudah siap melakukan aktivitas yang lain, turun dari ranjang, itu namanya get up. Biasanya kita wake up-nya jam 4, tapi nanti get up-nya jam 6. Ada yang begitu?
Ada itu.
Oke.
I think
And then,
so.
katanya itu ngumpulin nyawa dulu ya.
Yes. Some like
Ngumpulinnya
me.
sejam sendiri. Emang kemana nyawanya, bro?
Traveling.
Kita punya take a bath, yaitu mandi di bathtub. Kalau take a shower, berarti mandinya pakai shower atau pakai pancuran. Have breakfast, sarapan. Have brunch, itu makan pagi yang dirapel dengan makan siang. Have lunch, makan siangnya. Have dinner, makan malam. Have meeting, rapat. Go to work, pergi bekerja. Go to school, pergi ke sekolah. Jadi setelah go to, teman-teman bisa isi dengan nama tempat yang teman-teman tuju. Pergi ke rumah sakit, berarti go to
Hospital.
go to hospital. Kalau pergi ke gereja,
Go to church.
go to the church. Kalau pergi ke masjid,
Go to the mosque.
and then we have do homework, yaitu mengerjakan PR. Go hang out, nongkrong. Ada watch, nonton. Scroll sosial media, scrolling sosmed. Wash the dish, mencuci piring. Brush your teeth, menyikat gigi. Go to bed, pergi tidur. Jadi kalau go to bed itu masih siap-siap tidur. Tapi kalau sudah tertidur, you can say sleep. Hit the gym, olahraga nge-gym. Exercise, olahraga ringan. Oke, kalau workout itu biasanya kan olahraga beban ya. Kalau exercise dia olahraga ringan, contohnya jogging. Tuh.
Exercise.
Oke.
Senam.
And then for the next kita punya house another activities that we may do in our household. Jadi household itu artinya adalah rumah tangga sebenarnya. Sedangkan chores itu adalah pekerjaan. Jadi pekerjaan rumah tangga, that is household chores. Karena kebanyakan dari kita pasti melakukannya. Nah, number one kita punya set the table. What is the meaning of set the table?
Duduk di meja.
Meja
Set,
makan.
apa itu set?
Menata.
Mempersiapkan meja makan.
Menyiapkan.
Oke, berarti menyiapkan meja makan.
Oh.
Set the table, menyiapkan meja atau mengatur meja. Kalau clear the table,
Membersihkan.
membersihkan.
meja.
Oke. Membersihkan meja. And then kalau wipe the table,
Mengelap.
Mengelap meja.
oke, mengelap meja. Kalau dishwasher,
Mencuci
Mesin
piring.
pencuci piring.
mesin pencuci piring,
Piring.
dishwasher. Which one do you choose? Teman-teman pilih mana? Dishwasher or washing machine?
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Lebih pilih mesin pencuci piring?
Oh,
Sehariannya sih nyuci tangan.
Which one?
pakai tangan.
Iya, jadi pilih yang mana?
Cuci tangan lah. Lebih jenis.
do the
Washing machine ya?
washing machine.
Lebih pilih washing machine daripada dishwasher? Iya, so do I. Karena kalau cuci piring ya kita bisa nyuci dengan tangan lebih cepat daripada pakai dishwasher. And then we have do the dish. Ini harusnya pakai dish, bukan pakai W. What is the meaning of do the dish?
Sudah.
Mencuci
Dish.
piring.
Mencuci piring. Kalau dry the dish,
Mengeringkan.
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 Piring.
Kalau wipe the dishes,
Mengelap
Mengelap piring.
mengelap
Alat
piring.
makan.
Kalau clean the stove,
Membersihkan
Membersihkan.
kompor.
oke. Membersihkan kompor. Kalau sweep,
Menyapu.
menyapu. What about mop floor?
Mengepel.
Ngepel. What about clean windows?
Bundar.
Membersihkan jendela.
Ganti patah wong wis mulai.
Oke, membersihkan jendela. Kalau dust the
perlu.
furniture,
Menghilangkan debu.
Membersihkan debu.
oke, jadi membersihkan debu dari perabotan yang ada di perabotan. Kalau rake the leaves,
Menyapu daun.
oke, menyapu daun.
Daun.
Di sana pakai rake ya, jadi kayak nih sapunya begini. Karena nggak ada sapu apa ini? Sapu lidi. Di sana nggak ada sapu lidi, adanya pakai rake. Garpu semacam itu. Then we have vacuum.
Menyedot debu.
Menyedot debu.
Cleaner.
Kalau feeding pets,
Memberi makan hewan
memberi
peliharaan.
makan hewan peliharaan, tidy up rooms.
Merapikan kamar.
Tempat tidur.
Oke.
Merapikan tempat tidur.
Oke, merapikan tempat tidur. Kalau do laundry,
Mencuci baju di mesin.
Baju.
Cuci baju di mesin
oke,
cuci.
mencuci baju. Kalau fold the laundry,
Melipat baju.
Melipat baju.
oke, melipat baju. Kalau hanging up the laundry,
Menjemur pakaian.
oke, menjemur pakaian. Kalau repair,
Memperbaiki.
memperbaiki. Iron clothes,
Menyetrika pakaian.
oke. Kalau prepare meals,
Mempersiapkan
Menyiapkan
makanan.
makanan.
kalau clean bathroom,
Membersihkan kamar
Bersihkan
mandi.
kamar mandi.
Kalau water plants?
Menyiram tanaman.
Hmm? Kalau trim the hedges?
Memotong.
dahan.
Oke. Jadi merapikan tanaman ya,
Oh.
nge-trim or how can we say that? Merapikan how can we say that? Daunnya. Oke.
Pucuk.
Pucuk kuncup pucuk gimana sih?
Pucuk.
Pokoknya pohon yang udah nggak karuan bentuknya, udah nggak rapi. Nah, waktunya di-trim. Next, mow the lawn. What is meaning of mow the lawn? Dia ngapain?
Memotong rumput.
Memotong rumput.
Oke, memotong rumput. Kalau mesinnya itu lawn mower.
Lawn mower. Lawn
Mm-mm.
mower.
Lawn mower.
Lawn
And
mower.
then for the next, kita punya weed the garden.
Menanam. Bukan.
Mm-mm.
Menanam
Men-
tanam.
Menyiangi tanaman atau nyiapin ladang sebelum ditanamin.
Oh, weed.
Weed the
Menyiangi.
garden.
With the God.
And then wash the car.
Mencuci
Mencuci
mobil.
mobil.
Oke, mencuci mobil, make dinner.
Membuat makan malam.
Membuat makan malam. Kalau get dressed,
Memilih pakaian.
Pakaian.
Sorry,
Get
get
dressed.
dressed.
Pakaian.
ganti
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 baju.
Jadi get dressed itu adalah ganti baju. Oke, so now it means that kalau in number one kan describe the man's daily routine. How is your daily routine different to his? So means that, jadi nomor satu langsung saja sebutkan kegiatan rutinitas teman-teman. Start from you wake up till you sleep at night. Dari bangun tidur sampai teman-teman tidur lagi di malam hari. Itu ngapain aja. And then number two, what is the first thing that you usually do when you wake up in the morning? Hal pertama yang teman-teman lakukan setelah bangun pagi apa? Cari HP.
Check the phone.
HP.
HP ya.
Thanks to God.
Check the phones.
Saya
And then
Praying.
praying.
Yeah.
What do you eat and drink for breakfast? Apa yang kamu makan untuk sarapan? Do your morning meals change often? Apakah makan pagimu itu selalu berganti? At what time do you usually leave your home? Jam berapa biasanya kamu meninggalkan rumahmu? Where do you go? Kemana kamu pergi? And what you do? Dan apa yang kamu lakukan? Do you exercise regularly? Apakah kamu rutin berolahraga? What kind of exercise do you do and when you do it? Jadi olahraganya apa? Terus kapan kamu melakukannya? How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Berapa lama kamu butuh bersiap-siap di pagi hari? What do you need to do? Apa yang kamu lakukan? When do you take a shower or bath? Kapan kamu mandinya? How long do you spend in a bathroom? Berapa lama teman-teman menghabiskan waktu di kamar mandi? Berapa? 1 jam? 2 jam? 30? 15?
Jam lah.
20
Sejam.
menit.
Oke.
Jam untuk
And then for
cewek.
the next. 20 menit. Oke. Is there anything about your daily routine that you would like? What time do you eat lunch? Jadi jam berapa kamu makan siang? Where do you eat lunch? Di mana kamu makannya? And what do you usually eat? Apa yang biasanya kamu makan? Is there anything about your daily routine that you would like to change? Ada nggak dari rutinitasmu yang ingin kamu ubah? How? Bagaimana cara mengubahnya? Which job do you think has a great daily routine? Kira-kira pekerjaan apa yang punya rutinitas menarik? What those people do each day? Apa yang dilakukannya setiap hari? Do you need to set any alarms or reminder for your daily routine? Apakah kamu butuh untuk mengatur alarm atau pengingat untuk daily rutinitasmu? What for? Untuk apa? How many times do you check the time each day? Berapa kali kamu mengecek waktu? Why do you check the time? Kenapa kamu selalu mengecek jam? What is something that you always do every day? Apa sesuatu yang selalu kamu lakukan setiap hari? What is something you never do? Sesuatu yang tidak pernah kamu lakukan. In what ways are your weekends different from your normal weekdays? Jadi dengan cara apa akhir pekanmu itu berbeda dengan hari kerjamu? Apa yang membuatnya berbeda? Mungkin aktivitasnya atau di mana teman-teman tinggalnya. Do you have a grocery shopping routine? Apakah kamu selalu belanja sembako rutin? When and where do you do it? Jadi kapan dan di mana kamu melakukannya? So those are the questions that we may discuss with our friends in a breakout room. We have 20 members, so means that it is smaller, less than yesterday. Jadi lebih sedikit daripada kemarin ya. But it's okay. Let's go.